Hello, my peeps. What's crack-a-lackin'? You know what? I've been in the hospital, man. Because my family, they say I'm too aggressive. You skim? You check? 1 second, I'm just opening this gate. Now, how do I put the face lock off? Nice. So now, anyway, thing is, I'm on medication now for aggression. How's that shit? Look at who's here now. Look at who's here, Stello. Stello, who are you talking to, Stello?
Oh man, I'm on the call, so please be quiet.
I hit your girlfriend.
Don't start. Please don't start.
So I'm on medication for aggression. Injection and ratgoeters. Check, I'm gonna have to take injections and that. Making a video.
Don't scream, ne?
No, I'm not screaming. You have to take injection, what. Maar is geniet dan. But I don't give a fuck that I'm on medication. It doesn't change the person that I am. Aggression, like, how can you tone down aggression? You can't. You can never. Can never. There's times and places for everything now. I'm gonna hone my aggression. Woo! I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I did that to make a YouTube video. I've been in hospital for 1 fucking week. 1 week! No emotional support. No needed. I didn't need no emotional support the way I was swearing the people there. Because they only say, give me guy, this. Then they're praying when they're naked. Then they want to pray when they're naked. How's that? And then they part after that. This is what mentality is at the people of the hospital got. The mentality of what they have. They part after they pray, after they naked. What are they doing? So I saw a lot of people. I almost got into a fight today. Because a person, he wants to come hug me. I tell him, don't. And I push him. Che. Because he's been doing that. And irritating me. I told him he's a puss. And he never did nothing. He said, ooh. And then he, by the way, Moffie. The way I would have betrayed him. Yo, I would have hit him. Yo. Okay, that's... So, yeah. Shit's been happening nowadays. Shit's been happening. And this weed is making me feel amazing. After 1 week, smoking after 1 week, the very first day I get back. Wow! I think that's just gonna be a smoking video. Smoking session. Wow. How's my ring? I had to bite it because this is the only finger it fits on. So it's stuff, you check. It fit on this finger. That's a bite mark. Yo. someone jumped over the gate. Said he killed my brother, which was a lie. But the way I fucked him up for it, yeah. Lucky my brother wasn't here. I would have said, yeah, you see he's back from the dead. And then we fuck him up together. Yo, it would have been fun. It would have been fun, but I did betray him properly. Check this. I fucked the puss up. Teeth marks, people. Teeth marks. Check this. Teeth marks. Check. Teeth marks. Oh yeah, I was murdering. Anyway, I don't know if that person is alive. I don't want to say what. He's a kefir and I fucked him up. I don't skrik no, people. But that don't mean I'm gonna go out and fight. No, I'm smart about this. It must come to me and then I smash. Face broken. Teeth in his teeth. You don't know what that means. Until he's choking his blood out, yo. His bras were taking him away, people. I don't know where the fuck he went. Died or what? It's his own problem. The knife mark wouldn't be visible. That's why I hit him like that. He pull a knife for me, the puss. That's why I say it's a kef for that one. Pull a knife for me. It's fine. I got. And I got. So it's fine. If I have enough rings, I'll be able to defend without having a knife. And when I have a knife, Lens is dangerous, people. Lens is fucking dangerous. Let me tell you that. And there's worse places than Lens. Lens is still light. Lens is light. What a crime and all of these things. Again, I'm not looking for a fight. I didn't call anyone's name. I say Lens is light. What a crime. There's no robberies. It only happen like maybe festive seasons and all of these things. Their sentence said what. Yo, hot, Joburg. Yo, hey, I got robbed and I'm fighting like this now. Yo, yes, my bro. I got robbed in town 2 times. And I still worked there and then I quit after it. Because I needed the money. But now I want to do my own thing because I can defend myself. I know what it means to own something now. You understand? It's amazing. Fight for your shit, man. It's yours. No one can take it away from you, but they want to. Everyone wants to. Be yourself, man. Be the one that stands out and say, fuck you. That's right. You know why people hate aggression? Why? Then they want to tell you what to do. Fuck that shit, man. Yes, sis. I'm telling you. It's impossible. Where are the people that took me to the hospital when I was fighting? They didn't fucking defend me. But they took me to the hospital. I defended my own life. I could have died. Knife pulled out for me. I almost killed it or kill it. Can't I don't know. I'm fucking stoned. I don't know why. Because, let me tell you. Hey, Stelo. You know I hit someone when that's why I went to hospital. I hit him. I don't know if I killed him. Na kefa. I promise you that puss. If I see him again, I'm gonna take him. Come and show you something. I'm gonna fucking take his life. He pulled a knife for me. See ya. Listen here. Can you see this? Can you see here? This part. See, look here. Look at this. Ne? Can you see here? You got eyes you can see, ne? He went like this. The knife will say like this. Hold you, like this. Hold this fucking phone, man. I wanna show you.
Why am I saying all the...
I wanna show you. Just
Easy,
hold the phone.
man.
Yeah, you gonna. Yeah, I wanna show you how I hit him. But you putting the camera on me to show me.
Did I
Did you?
Did I?
Did you? Did you? Hey.
Omar, just go.
What? Go away. I'll push you over a fucking chair. And that's push, dog. Huh? That's dog, I hate it, you see? Because he hate me. I'm gonna fucking kill this dog. You know why I do that? It's not animal cruelty. Understand this. This is the dog of the yard. It fucking, instead of biting the lawn mower, it bit me. But not now. This thing left a scar on me. Yeah. Things hurt me in life. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And I don't care if I don't get views or I don't get fucking subscribers, or if people wanna unsubscribe, it's fine. I'll keep making videos. I'm not worried. It's okay. That's love, peoples. What is this? Or is it crowning? Ah, it's crowning. Right on fucking time, people. So that's called crowning. When it's burnt and it's almost done. And it's dead charcoal. Just that top. They call it a queen's puss, I call it crowning. I'm different and I'm worse. I'm not the same. Yet again, I don't want to fight. I didn't say anything about anyone. I just said I'm different and I'm worse. And my brother Wasim is worse than me. And Uthman can vouch for that. I won't say why. Because that would be stigmatizing. I'm putting my brother on a pedestal, then that would be wanting me to be starting a fight or something. No. I will not be speaking unnecessary shit. I must acknowledge myself, and I need to stay within my own right of speaking about whatever I want to speak about. So, thing is, I just want to speak unnecessary things. And I don't want to speak for someone when the person is not here. So 100 subscribers in, Wasim will be here. You know, he'll be there. Alongside me, going out into the world of YouTube. I want to try hypnosis, peoples. This turned out to be quite a video. So I'll end it with this to deliver my tips.